that support.
All you do is stay in that studio. That's all you do.
That studio is gonna take care of us in the future. You acting like I'm just over here bullshitting. Like, what's the problem?
How do you know? How do you know?
Oh, so you ain't got no faith in me now?
I got no faith in. No, not at all. I can't.
But if you can't keep doing it, give me my helmet.
No, fight with us. Like, argue, give me something, offer
I'm
me
trying. I
something.
can't fucking create with all this drama. If I can't do it with you, I do it with my motherfucker. Just give me my fucking helmet.
Big deal, take it.
You know, keep the fucking helmet.
I see you trying to catch me for the reach back. My girl left me, I was taking too long, breaking these songs. Studio time took a while to take off. I could question why she was even involved. Diamonds by your faces. Knew soon as I posted she would be the trollest. Now she tryna close it like we've been the closest. Ain't even a dope boy, she know I'm the dopest. Oh, I see you tryna catch me for the reach back. Girl, I'm miles away, I got my seat back leaning. You out here reaching, no. You been trying to catch me for the reach back. Girl, I'm miles away, I got my seat back leaning. You out here reaching, I'ma need that real one. Yeah, you that fake. I call it dandruff. Yeah, that's that flake. I said I pieced out. Thought it was play. Girl, I'm at peace now. Permanent vacate. I was reaching out, seeking out, never gotta reach back. Now they crowded, now you vouching, now you got some feedback. Where was your belief at? Where you fall asleep at? Sleeping on me, now you're lonely. Where are your degrees at? They keeping you warm in the night. Thought they was better than night. Love and commitment, support and attention, that's something that money can't buy. Your friends thought I was hood reading, your dad thought I was bullshitting. Don't think back and then reach back, trying to speak back, are you kidding? I see you trying to catch me for the reach back.
Can I help you?
No, I'm sorry, my bad.
I see you trying to catch me for the reach back. Girl, I'm miles away, I got my seat back leaning. You out here reaching, no. You been trying to catch me for the reach back. Girl, I'm miles away, I got my seat back leaning. You out here reaching, my girl left me, so I'm saying so long. No more ping pong, all that back and forth, narcissistic dialogue. Took your negativity and made a dope song. And it's a vibe, yeah.